Hey guys, big welcome from me to our environment setup. Today we're going to be learning how to install Python, pip, and Jupyter. So let's get started. I can't wait to do all of these amazing tutorials. Downloading the Jupyter notebooks from our GitHub platform. To do this, we need to click on that link that I've provided in the description of this chapter and click on the clone or download button and download zip. This is going to download our entire directory of tutorials. We navigate in the file system where it's downloaded and right click on the folder and extract all, because this is a zip folder and all the files inside are compressed. So we extract all. And voila! As you can see, these are all the tutorials we're going to be doing in our future course. Okay, so the next stage of our tutorial is actually installing Python. To do this, again, we're going to be clicking on this link and download Python. After the download has been complete, we right-click and run as administrator. You may not see this, but the program is asking me if I would allow changes on my device. I press yes, and now I'm going to press install now. This is going to install all of the dependencies and setup files that Python requires. It may take a while. And that's it. The setup is now completed and Python is installed. After this stage is done, the last part we need to do is actually install pip. To do that, we need to have our terminal open. This is my terminal, and we need to download get pip.py to any of the folders on our computer. So I'm going to simply open this on a new page and save it as a file in my downloads directory. I save it, and I'm going to just split the screens in two, and this is my terminal you can now see, and on the left it's the instructions that I'm going to just follow. First thing first, this is terminal, and now I'm going to give a simple command to change the directory to the directory that I have downloaded my get pip file. So for this purpose, I'm going to navigate to cd for navigation and downloads. Here we go, we have navigated now to the downloads files. And now I'm going to type python get pip.py. You can copy that and simply, it's not going to, yes, and simply paste it. This is going to install pip. And as you can see, I had it already installed, therefore it uninstalled it and reinstalled it again. That's it. The last part 3, is now completed. And as last stage of our tutorial, we're going to be learning how to install Jupyter. So, to do this, we are going to simply write pip install Jupyter in the same terminal that we had open, and this is going to run consecutive commands that are already preset. We don't need to worry about this. Everything is going to be alright, and Jupyter will magically be installed. And to run the notebook, finally, to run it, we need to type Jupyter notebook and press enter. So this now opens a new window in our browser, and one thing that you really need to note here is that if you close this terminal, our notebook is also going to close, because the terminal is actually maintaining our session. First of all, we navigate to any of the tutorials you would like to complete. Let's say variables and data structures, because this will possibly be the first tutorial that you're going to be completing. And here is our notebook. And you can run your code. And it compiles. Voila! Congratulations, you did the job. You completed this tutorial, and you have now installed everything you need to run the Jupyter notebook. And now just in case, I'm going to show you what will happen if we close a terminal. I'm closing the terminal, and as you can see now, the connection has failed. And why the connection has failed? Because we close the terminal. Don't close the terminal. All your progress is going to be lost, and you're not going to be able to work on your notebook. If you need the terminal in any way, just type cmd on the command cmd, open a new terminal, and you can have as many as you like and work on them. And that's it. Congratulations, now you have completed the environment setup tutorial, and you're ready to start working and sharpen your skills with Python and data visualizations. If you have any questions or you had any problems throughout the process of the environment setup, please do not hesitate to let us know, and I will have a look throughout all of the questions you have and help you out. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.